Hello friends, welcome back to Smartness Tech Studies. So in this video we are discussing one wonderful job opportunity which is TCS Nqt National Qualifier Test 2023 gateway for top jobs. So Tata Consultancy Services released one amazing job opportunity for freshers. So TCS Off Campus Drive 2023 scheduled for future forward careers National Qualifier Test for engineering, arts, commerce and science graduates or diploma candidates across the country. It is the common employability test like Litmus MCAT offered by TCS. The detailed eligibility and application process for TCS Nqt 2023 will be given below. So before starting the video, hit a like, subscribe and share. Make sure watch the video till the end because I will explain you few amazing tips and tricks that will help you to crack this job in a proficient manner. So let's get started. So the TCS Nqt Tata Consultancy Services National Qualifier Test, which is NQT. So test name is NQT. Qualification will be B Bachelor of Engineering, B.Tech Bachelor of Technology or any degree or diploma. So batch will be any batch from 2018 to 2024, that means latest batch can try. So salary will be best in industry, so typically 3.36 to 7 lakhs per annum. So the job location will be across India. Last date will be 30th March 2023. So test date is fixed 14th April 2023 onwards. So after applying they will provide you test link. So detailed eligibility: UG, PG and diploma students in their pre-final and final year, students with any degree and specialization or discipline, freshers with less than 2 years of experience, students passing between 2018 to 2024 who are looking for a job. They are eligible for this recruitment drive. About the test, conducted online, at home and physical in center. So they are providing two opportunities based on your preference. If you are someone who willing to write exam in homes, then you can select a at home option. And if you are someone who wants to stay, you don't have any PC or laptop, then you want to go for in center, then you have to select the physical in center. So 2 years validity of NQT score. After writing this exam, you will have 2 years of validity in order to join in any top 20 plus IT roles and 150 plus non-IT roles with NQT scores. So this is entry level jobs but amazing salaries up to 7 lakhs per annum. So types of national qualifier: NQT cognitive and TCS Nqt IT career readiness pack. So there are two packs are there. Choose based on, so you have to choose both in order to qualify for, as if you are belongs to engineering category, you have to choose both. So skill set: attitudinal alignment, NQT psychometrics, industry NQT banking and financial services. This is a very good domain. BFSI, IT, wealth management, so IT network engineer. So there are various NQT IT programming, various technologies, machine learning, also there IT network engineering, IT blockchain, AI, big data and cloud, design and additive manufacturing. So there are very digital marketing, very good. And if you belong to MBA, financial markets and services are also there for CA CPT candidates. For TCS Nqt detailed syllabus and common exam, I will give you this in our. So TCS syllabus, exam pattern will discuss after this video. So journey to a dream job. Step 1, apply to TCS Nqt and appear for the test. Get your Nqt score. Step 3, apply to multiple jobs on TCS website. Apply for jobs on other corporates websites too. Get jobs basis your Nqt score and suitability. So you have to get score well in Nqt. What are the next steps after getting NQT score? If you wrote the exam, and what happens next? You can apply to any company that recognizes the NQT score and indicate your NQT registration number and score in the job application form of that company. So they will provide TCS NQT website. On that you are eligible to apply any number of jobs depending on the NQT score you have secured. You can apply to companies and job roles that accept such level of NQT scores. You can view the list of corporates will be updated shortly who have acknowledged the National Qualifier Test NQT score on the product package web page. So 1 lakh plus TCS Nqt certified candidates are placed in TCS and these top corporates, so that are TCS, Tata Elxsi, Emphasis, Careers, Titan, Public Sapient, Xeon Stack, Persistence offer very good salary. Debord, Nextad and other top MNCs are there. They will also offer handsome salaries. So now we will see how to check active jobs through TCS Nqt. After that, we have to know how to apply for TCS Nqt 2023. So all interested and eligible candidates can apply for this test online by the following link on or before 30 March 2023. So that the link will be in description. Go description and apply. So before applying this TCS Nqt, you have to read. I will give submit how to apply this process, step-by-step process also in our description. So now we will see TCS Nqt syllabus, exam pattern for National Qualifier Test. So 2023 also this is same. They did not have changed anything. So TCS Nqt syllabus. So general ability test that assess a candidate. There is no cutoff score to pass or fail criteria and to report your performance. You will be given a score that indicates your current ability in the topics that are assessed. Your Nqt score is valid for 2 years from the date of test. Okay, now we will see why National Qualifier Test. You have to ready. Unlimited items will be there. Nqt pattern, we have to know the pattern. First one is Nqt cognitive. This test measures the cognitive skills of the candidate. That means verbal, numerical and reasoning. So aptitude, reasoning and English there. Mandatory. Attitudinal alignment, this is psychometric test. This is very simple, but you have to prepare for this one. Industry Nqt, this conduct to test the candidate's understanding of industry specific dimensions. So now fourth one is subject Nqt. This test measures the role specific skills. So if you have opted for programmer, that means developer, you must have good subject knowledge in that. TCS Nqt syllabus, verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability. So you have to focus on that. Next one is test of knowledge, hands-on exercise. There will be 2 programming questions. You have to face that one. So you have to get a good scores in that. When is the TCS Nqt conducted? It is conducted 3 months once a year. It is being conducted on February, May, August and November. Okay, do I have to pay for TCS Nqt? Yes, you have to pay to take up tests in TCS Nqt. The fee for taking up the test varies for every variant. Check the official site for more information regarding the same. How to know which variant to choose. Details about the same is given in their official site. Check there for clear understanding. So this is the process. I will give you link how to apply this mind-blowing job. So this is for now. Signing off. Before signing off, you have to like, subscribe and share. We will meet in next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.